Sammy Ramsey is an entomologist at the University of Colorado Boulder, and he shares my shock at this recommendation to kill insects.
It's not something that we frequently tell people, that you need to smash an insect, but they are spreading rapidly across the U.S., and we've got to do something about their populations.
So what makes them so threatening to our economy?
The way that these organisms work, they have this mouth part, it's like a straw, so they can only feed on fluids. So they fly around from tree to tree, different plants, apples, peaches, even grapevines, and they suck the fluid out of the fruit, which makes the plant less productive and gives us less of a crop yield.
But they're saying, but is there no other way? Because you also say you do need to smash them.
It is unfortunate,
You're saying that too.
but we as the research community, we want you to choose violence, everybody.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I mean, these insects are absolutely beautiful. When you look at them, I mean, they give you high fashion. They are the Billy Porter of insects. They do not have natural enemies. So, as you said earlier, normally we talk about insects as very important to the ecosystem, but when a creature doesn't have the other organisms that balance it out, it grows out of control and can threaten the rest of the ecosystem.
And there are also like squads, gangs of people who are volunteered to go out and find them and squash these bugs.
It's bringing families together. Think about the family togetherness now. People are getting together with tennis rackets and just going after these things.